How to use a Walmart gift card for Robux. Here's how it works. You want to go to the Walmart website and you will just search for Robux and the amount which you want to get. So for example, Robux $10 gift card. Alright, so once you search for it, then it's going to show you these options and you will choose the appropriate one. So let's do the first one here. So $10 Roblox e-gift card. You can choose a different amount here as well, and basically you will just need to click on continue. Now this is very important, the email's recipient, so the recipient's email, you will need to provide the person's email who will be getting this gift card. So I'm gonna type it out and you can choose the amount which you want to send them, so I'll just leave it as 1 and then type the sender's name. Hope you enjoyed this Robux card. Okay, so once you type this out, you want to click on continue and you want to press on add to cart. Once you do this, you will need to view your cart. So we're going to click on view cart, and right here, you just want to make sure that everything is correct. And once you have verified the information, you will click on continue to checkout. Once you click on continue to checkout, it is then going to take you to the page where you will be able to use your Walmart gift card, and essentially you will have used your Walmart gift card to purchase Robux for that person, and that's how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.